You want the patient
Okay,
to sit?
okay. Now yes.
Ready?
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, say the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, you say Vybz Kartel, my people, you don't know, say, yo, Vybz Kartel, big up yourself, my brother. Big up yourself a million times. No matter the negativity where they want to talk about you, or no matter what they want to say about you, my brother, just go and hold it firm and stay strong. Some people, we see recently where Vybz Kartel stay, so boom, my people. Show a look of clippings, you understand? And you don't know, say, him show that for sure, so look at the man, health come first. Because we don't know, say, the man incarcerated for 13 years. And during him incarceration, my people, he managed to develop this Graves' disease thing, my people. And you don't know, say, that affect him heart and what if I look at something you don't know the thing of my people. So the boss takes a boom and go do him doctor visit. And the man just show a look of clippings and make you know, say, health come first. You don't know that thing they got my people. So basically, when I see them type of thing that string up on the boss, you don't know, so that deal with them art where them are doing checks pan my people. And you don't know in a them interview world boss, so look here, him a go deal with them thing, him a go left Jamaica, fly out and him name the countries them where he want go get him healthcare and get him thing fixed. So the most important thing, I did say it before my people, we want to see Vybz Kartel health come back to normal my people. Wish him do talk out time own mouth, say the thing where him have it curable, which give God thanks for that. You see me? But you don't know if you know, we not pressure no people. We see him spend quality time with him daughter. Because remember, you know, when Vybz Kartel get incarcerated, his daughter was 4 years old, my people. Now she's 17. So the man, you know what I mean? You know that feel? She was a baby. So now, my people, it's just a joy for him to be around his daughter, my people. And you don't know, Sean Storm same way, you can see Mad So same way, all of them around them daughter, my people. Some people me are true and I say this and have negative things to say about the man them. But, yo, leave the man, make them just enjoy their moment. You understand? Just make the man them enjoy their moment. But in this world, my people, me I gotta tell you this. If you do good, people have things to say. And if you do bad, them have things to say. And especially you're talking about the world boss, Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, so as me tell the people, we are talking about, you understand, people always have things to say, man. So, Vybz Kartel, big up yourself, my brother. And you don't know, health come first. Whether you wait for December. First show December, the world are wait for it. NEWLINK are wait for it and the world are wait for it, my brother. Just go on, big up yourself, stay strong, see you here, hold your head up high, my brother. Enjoy a moment with your fiance. You understand, Sean Storm, Mad So, Andre, hold on, my brother. I just more love and more life, you understand, and more strength and more powers. You don't know. I want team, I want dream, and I want scheme. People, just stay safe and do the right thing. Peace out. Blessings. Attack.
Hey guys, it's Addy and
Addy.
So guys, right now we're on the road. We have some errands to run, so that's what we're gonna do.
But before we go, may I tell my daughter, say, the Android, because this is our S24, may I tell her, say, the Android camera quality better than the iPhone camera quality. Which iPhone you have, baby?
15 plus, and this is definitely better.
Alright.
No shade.
Tell me in the comment section, yeah? I'm out.
Yeah.
Watch my daughter told me now, you call her butler? So me a chauffeur, me a butler.
We're very right.
Don't forget.